Welcome to Automation Fair 2014 in Anaheim, California. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner Network Magazine. This is the best trade show in North America for industrial automation with the top companies, and one of those is LinMot USA. I'm here with Peter. Peter, tell us what your company does.
Yeah, we make linear motors, but it's a different type of linear motor. It's a tubular linear motor. So what specifically, we take neodymium iron boron magnets, the same magnets used on rotary servo motors, but instead of placing them around a rotor, we actually take the magnetic discs, insert them in a stainless steel tube, laser weld the tube on both ends, so it's a sealed stainless steel rotor. And then once you insert it in the stator, which is a two-phase winding, so it's a DC servo motor, now we have a tubular linear motor. And well, here's some typical application as to what we can do with the tubular linear motor. In this case, we are using a X-axis that's connected to our motor on the H-guide, as we call it. It's a guided Z-axis, so we're able to pick up 5 kilograms or about 10 pounds worth of load, and we can make this go really fast because that's what linear motors do. So it's a perfect way to do a pick-and-place application. Here's another, what we call our quick pick cycle. So that's kind of what we do.
Great, and I know you have several things here that you're showing off in your nice booth. What else are you showing off that your attendees are showing interest in?
Yeah, there's also a unique product called a linear rotary motor. So that takes our linear motor and then couples it through a clamping hub to a rotary servo motor. So it's a 2 servo motor in 1 unit. And then we have another demo that has 3 linear motors, and also the Rockwell demo unit that we use that uses the Compact Logix PLC and the PanelView Plus HMI, and allows our customers and our partners to work through the demo unit and be able to show the different operations that we can handle.
Okay. Well, and there are a lot of attendees around the linear rotary motor, so why don't we step over there and take a look at that demo?
Great.
Okay. So Peter, what are we looking at here? And because there's a lot of excitement here in your booth from the attendees.
Yeah, there's 2 products here actually. This is our linear motor, coupled with our DC drive, coupled to a Compact Logix PLC inside the box here, and of course the PanelView Plus 600. And we can show off a lot of the features of a tubular linear servo motor. For instance, you can go very fast. It's what our engineer calls a machine gun cycle. Or this is a very typical application, a high-speed conveyor line where we're ejecting product, and then, or we can just go to different positions. And with a linear motor, you always get your position data or your force data. And then we have something we call the muscle builder, and that allows us to actually, again, show the amount of force and the amount of position we're displacing. Then the second product is our linear rotary product. That's where we have a linear motor coupled to the rotary servo motor, and you can see how we can actually run those 2 units independently or synchronized, as we're doing here in this demonstration.
Well, that does a lot of things that no wonder people are excited to be looking at this.
Yeah, so are we. It's been a great show.
Well, there's so much more to learn about what LinMot offers that we just can't cover here in today's video. So go to the website here that you see on the screen and learn about what they can do to help you. I'm Teresa Hauk at Automation Fair. I'll see you next time.